Hi guys, welcome to Boost Tech. In this video we will learn how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. If you will learn something from this video, then kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks. And start this video. First of all, open Snapchat and then swipe up and scroll down and go to settings, scroll down, and there is no option to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Okay, we have to use another trick for this, and so minimize back and go to the phone setting. Okay, after this tap on brightness, display and brightness. Okay, here you will see the dark mode is already turned off. Turn on dark mode. Okay, and the phone is completely on dark mode. And then now open Snapchat and dark mode, swipe up and dark mode is already on. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel Burj Tech. Thanks.